So Jaden's gonna be my patient today. Jay will may you go right here.
Okay, so like I have a problem right here. Look, ready? Can you guys hear this?
Yes. Yeah, he has a problem. He has a problem with his thing, so I'm gonna try to fix it. Jay,
You're not gonna fix it.
okay, will you lay on your stomach? Will you lay on your stomach? No, I'll videotape it.
Why may I lay on my stomach?
Because that's what I'm gonna do to your back.
My back?
Yeah, okay, put your other arm right here. Okay.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Hang on, I'm good. Nico, may you video record this, but don't touch nothing. You just videotape it here. Here, no, use your hands like this. Don't touch nothing. Just go up close. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh. Okay, one more time. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Hang on. Ready? Breathe in. Ready? Breathe in.
Okay.
Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, so flip over. You're gonna do a little feet thing. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was a good crack. Okay, so put it like right here, towards his legs. Try not to get like his butt. Here, try to get his legs like right there, Nico. Hold it right there. Okay, ready? Ready?
Oh, you showed it.
Ready? One. Wait, watch out.
Ready. Oh, shoulder.
Anything else that's like hurting?
Chad has done it. That's it. Touch off my hand. Next patient.
Oh, me!
Yeah, it's you.
Oh,
I'm about to check your back.
no, I like Jaden.
Okay, Nico, you're gonna be filming.
Don't put your finger up there. Make sure you can see it. Big man.
Check, ready? Okay. The patient.
Scoot up more, Nico, so you can hear it.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, you hold that.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that hold it. Did you just fart? No. No, you was having a back. Okay, that was me cracking the back. Ow. Ew.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, now right here.
Okay.
It's trying to
You don't.
breathe out.
Okay, just do the seat now.
Okay.
Okay, here, I'll film it.
Okay, Nico didn't do anything. Okay, ready?
Okay, let's see. Go. Okay, that's not doing nothing, but okay.
Okay, so right here?
Yep. Go. Okay, so that's it, guys. I don't know if you heard the cracks, but that was pretty good, and I'm going to end the video here, so see you later, alligator.